Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about one of the real-time scenario and how to understand the problem statement and how I'm going to solve that problem using Java language. Let's dive into the problem statement. So as I said, I'm using Java as the language to solve these problems. I have a collection of person. Each person has three attributes, say name, age, city. How to find a person whose city name is largest? That is the problem statement. So let us understand the sample input data. Example input data is XYZ, age is 20, and Nambakam village is the name of the city. ABC 35, Chittor District. If you look at all these city names, this is the largest. So the example output we supposed to see this one. So to build this kind of logic, prior to Java 8, we have to work with a lot of coding. That boilerplate code has been removed and they have provided using functional programming model lambda expressions. We can solve in one line code. That is the beauty of Java 8 concepts. So here the prerequisites are must need JDK 14, but my workbench I have is JDK 18. The workbench, you can choose your choice. Build tool is your option. Internet is your option. And intended audience, Java developers who has already experienced and Java architects, how I'm going to solve that problem. In case if you want to download Java, you can find the links. Now let's jump into the hands-on session in real time. Now I'm going to solve this problem. So that is a problem statement, third one. In case if you want to study PS1 and PS2, I have created a playlist with a set of videos already. You can try to understand those problem statement and answers. So I'm going to create a person object of type record so that I can create the model is very easily. So string name, integer age, string city. My data object model is ready. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create my driver class person city app. So this is the main program which I'm writing. So first I need to create some input data so that I can able to build the logic further. So I'm creating a person list. I'm using a utility library from collections, that is java util dot as list. I just expand this. New person, say name 1, age is say 20, say name 1. Say I create 4 names. That's more than enough for the demonstration. Say age is say 23, 34, 12. Say this is Bengaluru city and say this is Chittor district. Say this is Mandal Nagari is also city. So my data is ready. Now which is the city largest? This is. What is the name of the person? Name 1. Okay. Now I need to build a logic. get person by city longest. What I need the list of objects to be passed. Now I have created a method. Now I need to return person, not the void. Okay. So I'm going to use the lambda expression dot stream. Then I use reduce is the terminal operator. Here I'm going to use binary comparator dot max by, that is expecting comparator operation on which object, person, which field, city. So if you look at it, this is stream and reduce because I'm going to get only one result. That's the reason I use reduce, and on which I'm going to check the largest city name. That's the reason I choose here. Now this will give me optional person. So what I'm going to do, I check here, I declare as a result. Result is present. Okay, yes. What I'm going to do, I'm going to return result dot get, otherwise return null, for example. So here I'm going to get a person. Okay, I can print the results. You can see I would say person longest, right? So dot name, I want to see the name of the person followed by the name of the city which is largest, which I am performing. So I say city, name person longest city is my results. Let's break down this for your lookup facility. So my data is ready. So name one, age, city name, and so forth. I'm making a call to a private method. Get person by city longest is the name of the method, so that easy to understand. And here I'm coming and I'm streaming out my list. Then I'm applying a terminal operator which is providing a binary. There I'm comparing every city name with the other city name, and finally I'm getting a result which is of optional. This is additional advantage. It is available from Java 8. Instead of ergomatic code, this gives you more flexibility. So I'm going to run this code. Now you can see that the name of the person and the city here, this. Okay, so I just make sure the formatted of this console. The name of the person longest city is name 1, and longest city is, if you look at it, 8 plus 5 13, 7 plus 3 10, 8 plus 3 11, 4 8 9. So this is the largest city wherein you can see it. Stay tuned for further updates. Like it, share it, comment it, please subscribe it. Thank you.